is have somebody.
Can we request others to mute, please?
I'm just trying to find out who is unmuted by mistake. हम में से किसी का टीवी ऑन है शायद, तो if we could, yeah. So अगर आपका पास कोई एसेट है और आप उसको लिक्विडेट करना चाहते हो, तो यहाँ पे आप लिक्विडेशन में जाके you could enlist your asset, and it's a simple form. Are you selling it as an insolvency professional or a corporate seller directly? And then we could ask a few questions and details of assets, etc. And then debtor details, etc. And then it will automatically show here. And then of course this was just the enlistment part, but then we are in the process of figuring out how to market your assets. So how do we have relevant prospective investors sort of be approached, and then they could come here, and at this platform itself they could start exchanging notes or whatever. So market your assets, manage your expression of interest, auction our assets. Again, these were the services which are subsequent services. Once you have enlisted your asset, you can either enlist your asset, leave it here, or you could then start asking for these services to be managed by someone. It could be us, it could be somebody. We haven't really thought this through completely right now. Likewise, for we were thinking that we had all these different type of stakeholders, and what kind of services could they be required. And once these services forms are filled, then this data could go to specific areas where professionals could come and pick up.
Kindly mute yourself.
Yeah. So you see one-time settlement, case defense, case withdrawal, voluntary. So as I said, these were all initial thoughts, and they have to be approached again and revised eventually, given the fact that we are going from into a pro bono sort of through this Sahyog project. So how much of this, how do we go about it, is something which I am still thinking, and I would like all of you to sort of go through these processes and just play around with them, and then if we could have a discussion around it. Because as we had previously discussed, the fact of the matter remains that there's a pro bono part of what we are doing, which should lead to an assignments of sorts or other work, and so it's not yeah. So how does the workflow, how would we want this workflow to take place, is something that I would like to discuss. This is really what the forum was. So it was nothing but a forum. Forum was something like there's so many different sections, subsections around these main topics, and then we could go into waterfall to figure out what are the relevant questions. So there are just, if there's any government due beyond 24 months subsisting in a company, where will it fall? People could ask these questions, and then somebody could ask, somebody could answer. It's not a centralized thing. Anybody could, we can do it now also, that people will ask questions, and then anybody can ask, anybody can answer. And so this is the forum part, and this is the pre-pack, the warriors. I have already shown you worksheets. I will show, this is just one of the worksheet you see. Let me give you an idea of what I mean by digital worksheet. So typically what we do is, okay, this is not going to work for, okay, it is working, great. Yeah, so typically, I mean, we were looking at innovating around making a document of sorts, where it's where one person would do some work, and then that entire work could be imported into the next document. So this next document would have all the previous work and formats for the next step. So that next step will also get followed, and then this second document will get imported into the third document. So we are gradually building the document. It's like a docket, a folder where we are adding documents, and then one could sort of give the document to the next person. So for example, an IRP does work and he wants to hand over his work to the RP. So what is the easiest way? One is that whatever work he has done, it just gets into, so there's an IRP worksheet and then there is an RP worksheet. So all the work done by the IRP gets imported into the RP takes it from there. It's like the escalation of the document. That was the plan, and I think we have been able to achieve it. I will show it to you. It's working eventually, and the other part was that in case there could be a not just a data room, but a complete software where if an IRP is leaving and a new IRP is leaving, RP is coming in, then all he needs really to do is hand him the username password for the admin, and he's in total control of the software. He has his own set of documents, and the hand holding should really be as simple as that. And that is the thought, and that has also been reasonably achieved, but we are still working on sorting out a few things. And this is what that software details are, user manuals and certain allied services. And typically, if I were to show you how the software runs, is that can everybody see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So typically, this is getting a little technical, but hear me out. There's nothing much to it except for, so there is an Acme. Acme is a corporate data, and we are doing it for Mr. Jalesh. So for Acme, it's a separate server that runs independently. So this server is running independently. There is no other data of any other IP or any other assignment, barring this one. So it's a complete isolated, self-contained environment. It's like you replicate the whole system over and over again. So that is, and this is what it sort of comes out like. So here you have all those things. It's not just limited to data room, voting option. Everything is, sort of supposed to be built into it. Otherwise, we end up wasting so much time and effort, getting a voting done and then getting hold of somebody for data room, getting home for something. So if we could get something together and have an X, known price of what we are getting into, everything is built into it. And that way we end up saving time and money, cost, whatever. So, but then again, we'll dwell on it later. And then this is the Sahyog groups that we are still, figuring out how to go about it. The fact being that in case, so what happens? So the process flow that we have thought so far is something like this. So first of all, we should be creating brochure. So there ought to be a brochure which would say summary brochure, which could be made in different languages and then spread to whatever. What is for the corporate data, what does it mean? For the promoter, what it means? For financial creditors, what it means? So for example, for the promoters, he'd want to know the management control continues to be with the board throughout the PIRP process. The first preference to continue with the possession ownership of MSME is given to the existing promoters. Termination of PPIRP will return the MSME to its original states, and promoters will continue with the business. Resolution of stress of the CD as a going concern with the least assistance of the state. The point being that what we're trying to tell the promoter is what is he getting into? And overall, it's quick, efficient, less disruptive. So we are trying to sort of a brochure which gives quick points, specifically, separately for each participant. For financial creditors, what does it do? It protects the entitlement of dissenting financial creditors. For investors, they get an approved resolution plan which is binding on all stakeholders. There's extinguishment of all liabilities. There's binding, same thing. This is still to work around. Binding effect, structure of the formal. For operating creditors, they would want to know what's in for them, balancing of the interest for operational creditors, which was otherwise lacking in CIRP. COC may approve BRP, and without calling for public offers in case there is no impairment. So these are the things that an operational creator would want to hear. It protects the entitlement of operation. Otherwise, generally speaking, time and cost, it's PD and it early detection and cost and advantages. Likewise, in litigation, we see there is less burden on NCLT. Moratorium ensures there is no, that everything comes to a standstill, fewer filings, lighter on the courts, consensual and less adversarial. So this is like one of the page. The first page would be just a summary. Then in general, this was page 1. That was page 2. What is a pre-pack? What is a pre-pack process? What are the objectives? Who all can do it?
वेबिनार चल रहा है.
And then how the first steps that the directors will pass a resolution 51%. And so point being that simple point wise, especially when the risks involved. This is like something which all the corporate debtors would want to know, that MSME may be running the business debtor in possession, but the commercial decision is going to be by the COC. Termination of PRP may not be allowed for the next 3 years in case it gets terminated. COC with 60% and rest of the management with the RP. 66%, they can convert a PR, PPI to PIR. Then there are avoidance transaction issues. So these are the risks we'll have to MSME. Likewise, there is auction. What is the challenge involved there? Okay. So point being that stage 1, we make brochure, probably in multiple languages, and how we approach the MSMEs. MSMEs, the next call of action for them is to come to the map, and to come to the map and to identify who want to talk to. So supposing they choose to talk to Mr. Gunturu here, Raghuji, and okay, they would go inside here. They could give him a call, right? And having given him a call, then start asking questions, and what it said. If they could, I think this can we mute everybody, as an admin? गलती से चल रहा है.
It's the Sanjay Samudra system from that it's coming.
So, Sanjay ji. Okay. Yeah. You were muted, Sanjay. Yeah. Please remain muted. There's some. So once the MSMEs receive the brochure and somehow we contact them through email, etc., they should be able to come to the map, identify who they want to talk to, call them up, and start talking. And whatever whatever time it takes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours of so that is the pro bono time. We call it pro bono, but I believe that is something that I would have done if somebody calls me. Inevitably, we end up talking, etc. So without any commitments of what's going to happen next. But presuming things go in the right direction, then the MSME could be given the first part of the digital sheet, and let me show you what that means. So essentially, if you see here, there are these phases. So first phase is the corporate data phase, and assume each phase is a separate sheet. Right now, I've put it all together, but each phase is a separate sheet, and corporate data will be asked to fill this sheet, because this sheet something is something he will be filling himself. So if you look at general information, what is industry overview, what is his master data? In his financial information, he could throw in his balance sheet details, just a simple details, and it could, he could feed it right here. And so if 250 was supposing 350 or something, and that's it. So he says, okay, this is my cash, and some very basic. Likewise, in his income statement, he could, again, what is his income expense? And this would automatically result into all these profitable, these various ratios, which will, because it's a digital sheet. And so we can do mathematical things right within itself. We don't have to shuttle between Word document, Excel, or any other. So that's why it's, it's like an application, a simple application, which, he could put in his financial information. He could throw details of the product and services. He could, what about the growth opportunities, key customers, etc. We could ask him to fill the sheet himself along with his chartered accountant and whoever else he confides in initially more, and a bit of asset information, not the details, just a cursory, how much, broadly, how much land, how much building, how much his ownership and KMP profile and management structure, etc. Claims, not the details, but generally कितने रुपए के, मोटा मोटा, क्योंकि अब I'm assuming MSME है, तो छोटे भी होंगे, बड़े भी होंगे, उसको broadly जैसे कि मैंने 2 करोड़ देने हैं, मेरे पास 50 लाख है, मैं क्या करूं? तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में ना जाते हैं, but broadly just to get an idea, and this will allow him also to identify, get him to introspect where he stands. And in the meantime, he would also have seen whether he wants to get into PRP. He also gets an opportunity to introspect. He gets an opportunity to fill his sheet, which he can fill it and keep it with himself for his own, this thing, knowledge. And of course, financial forecasting he'll not be able to do, I'm presuming that. But the plan is that he gets to fill in the sheet and continues to remain in touch with one of us. And this would build a bit of trust, get him to undergo through his thinking of, doing a risk analysis of whether, getting into. And also now the big elephant, other one is that how is the PPIRP going to sort of work with the PG to CD? Because in most likelihood, he would also be a personal guarantor to his own corporate data. So there is no clarity of how that is going to happen, but I'm quite sure all those questions will arise. And assuming that we have gone past this phase, then the plan is that we can take this process from here. From phase 2 onwards, in whatever manner we want to take it forward. Meaning you decide your own terms, you decide your own fees, etc. And presuming that these guys are coming and you will all be charging very reasonable anyway. He will not even have much to pay, so we'll all. But going forward, we don't know how it's going to evolve. The plan is that at least in the pre-pack advisory phase, and also to the financial creditors, going to the financial creditors, this is the second phase. So naturally, you will then take this sheet and pull it into the phase 2 worksheet, and which will then, you will have to do his eligibility, double check, or approvals declaration. You get them to put in place, make sure the votings are taking place, etc. And maybe build the preliminary information memorandum, which would almost 50-60% be ready from phase 1, which he would have filled. And since we would have pulled this information, and we'll start building from there on. So meaning that supposing so financial forecasting phase, so maybe this is something that you'll do, and it'll some data will get automatically filled, some you will have to fill in later, and build a preliminary information, make a resolution plan, and then approach the banks along with him to to say, okay, this is, let's approve it. So till the time the banks don't approve it with 61%, and having made sure whatever negotiation, maybe OTS, maybe OTR is taking place at this point, and it's not going any further. And naturally, from phase 3 onward, even you would have no control, because the banks will then choose to bring in their IP from then on. And it really depends upon who's on the panel, etc., who they like, another story. And then of course we are not going beyond this because we have no control over all these, who the IP is, who the RP is, which NCLT it is, who the lawyer is. So we've just left it. So as I said, this is the pro bono phase. This is where you come in as an advisor and charge, and beyond this is anybody's call. So so this is broadly, this is the kind of idea that we are working on so far, and that is all really. That is all I had to sort of tell you so far. So we can start asking, having a brainstorming session and seeing in case we can better this process. And so now I guess I'll request everybody to start brainstorming and asking questions or whatever. Of course, we'll have to have some we'll have to bring service where with the MSME, what our at this phase is, so that we don't overcommit. And we say, look, we are helping you on a pro bono phase only up till this point, beyond which if you want to continue with us, point being that there has to be a clear understanding and that anybody who's on the map, the presumption would be that they are all that they will all be picking up the phones and doing their bit of whatever help that we can afford to MSMEs free of cost. So but those two documents I believe also we'll have to make, where we'll say that yes, we undertake to sort of help the MSME to this point, and then so some kind of a service agreement. So that's really it. आप पूछिए जी, किसी ने कुछ let's overall आपको मतलब anybody having any reservation, because a lot of you have already experienced into these. Where do you think are we going to stumble? What are the stumbling blocks that we need to be wary of?
So Atul, I have a question here.
Hanji.
I think it was posted in the group as well. So thing is that how will we actually be building trust with the MSMEs? First thing is what is the plan to approach them? So how can we approach the MSMEs and more number of MSMEs of our region or nearby regions, and then meeting them, then building trust with them. So how this is to be actually, how this to be started, and how we should actually move towards it.
उसका जो हमें जितना समझ में आया है जवाब उसका ये है that MSME, so there तरीक में तकरीबन क्योंकि बहुत सारे अभी MSMEs पीछे भी रजिस्टर भी हुए हैं, ये MSME में रजिस्टर्ड नहीं थे, बट वो सुनने में आया 30 लाख थे कि 30 लाख थे शायद. So there are plenty of them. So but then they are MSMEs, yeah. So corporate MSMEs should be around 10 lakhs active MSMEs. That is my guess. And वही है कि उनको आप सबको ईमेल्स लिखेंगे, ईमेल्स के अंदर हर एक भाषा में उनके ब्रोशर जाएगा और ब्रोशर में इस मैप का डायरेक्शन रहेगा. So they go through the brochure, they get to know what are these various processes point wise, और वो उसके बाद वो किसको मिले, किस बंदे को सवाल करें. They will have to come to the map and who is closest to them, और जिससे वो बात करेंगे उनकी आपस में बात होती है, किस तरह से उनका इक्वेशन बैठती है. You'll get to know if the MSME is coming with clean hands, and or if he's trying to whatever, and then from there, since it's going to be written, so two things will have to be offered to MSME is, one is that they could come to the map and call up a particular individual and talk to him for an hour or two, just to understand कि आपके ब्रोशर में ये लिखा है, इसका क्या मतलब है, वो लिखा है, क्योंकि वो सारा कुछ explain भी नहीं कर सकते आप. Brochure is just a small brochure, so it is not like a thick book. So there'll be plenty of questions that he would want. In my case, this is what happened, that is what happened. तो वो आप कैसे उससे बात करते हैं, वो आपसे कैसे करता है, तो वो डिटरमिन करेगा कि आपका उसका ट्रस्ट कैसे बिल्ड हो रहा है. Assuming that he obviously he has his own, he himself is a CA or a CS or an engineer, and he also has one or two group of people. After all, he's running a business, so it is for sure that he has a CA and a lawyer who he would also want to consult. The obviously it's going to be limited. Their CA and CS knowledge has to be limited, because we ourselves, even we are struggling to figure out ये processes अब चलेंगे कैसे, अभी the law is still making. So they will be asking us questions, and it's really up to us how to build trust. हम उनको अप्रोच कैसे करेंगे, अभी के लिए तो ईमेल्स हैं ब्रोशर के साथ. वो कहाँ आएंगे, वो मैप पे आएंगे, मैप पे आके फिर वो सवाल पूछेंगे, सवाल पूछ के फिर हम उनको बोलेंगे कि if everything is fine, you please fill some form. Now that form also we are still figuring out, if they want anonymity, they'll say ठीक है. I do not know if they can remain anonymous at this stage, because you would know who they are, or maybe not. वो फिर उनको हम एक डिजिटल शीट हम उनको बताएंगे कि ये शीट है, इसको ऐसे भरते हैं, आप भरिए, और कोई दिक्कत हो तो हमें बताइए. Or sooner than later, they will fill half a sheet or something like that. They'll say, yeah, now you've come, fill the rest, and you tell me what to do next. And from there on, you are on your own. Everybody is on their own, sort of a thing. So,
But Atul, I think this will take some time. This will take some time actually for them to have. This will actually take some time from their side.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah. You are audible. Go ahead.
Yes. Thing is that, as you said, so these are business houses, and they might be having their own consultants or advisors or maybe professionals assisting them.
Correct.
So it will be very difficult for them to build trust with us and to share their data with us. And so some of the data might be available in the public domain. Can't we actually start with that very data, and maybe we can do some maths and we can help them out, or we can actually give them some direction to that very public data which is available in the public domain.
नहीं तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना जी. तो जो देखिए, एक I think your moot problem, the issue that you're trying to that I've understood is that they have their own people, and why should they trust us with their inside information, and they would be wary. So assuming all this to be true, the least they will do is call you and say, ये कैसे आपका ब्रोशर मिला, आपकी चिट्ठी मिली, अब इसका कैसे करना है, क्या करूं मैं, बताओ ऐसे करके. वो तो सवाल पूछेंगे generally. He will not, without disclosing anything. Then after that, if he, what we are really doing it after that is giving him a form कि आप ये वाला फॉर्म भर के रखो, उसके बाद ये फॉर्म हमारे पास लाना है, हमारे पास लाओ, किसी और के पास जाना है, अपने किसी बंदे के पास जाओ. हमने अपना जो काम करना था, जो हमारा धर्म वाला पार्ट है, हमने धर्म अपना निभा दिया जितना निभाना था. उसके बाद if they'll that, as I said, that it's really up to them to figure out what to do. But what is their option anyway? उनके पास जाने को भी कहाँ है? उनको किसी आईपी के पास तो आना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि रेजोल्यूशन प्लान बनाना और उसके अंदर ऑल दीज मैंडेटरी कंटेंट्स एक्सेट्रा, ये हर एक के पास नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं और ये वाले फेज के अंदर हम जब देखते हैं, इज माय स्क्रीन विजिबल?
यस.
हाँ, तो प्रीलिमिनरी इंफॉर्मेशन मेमोरेंडम के अंदर भी अब उनको ये एसेट लायबिलिटीज डिटेल और फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, प्रोविजनल list of assets, debts from or to related parties, guarantees, partner holding, ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें इकट्ठी कर लेंगे थोड़ी बहुत ही. तो हो सकता है ये information memorandum is almost same as what we see here. So if you see, phase 1 is more like an investment teaser, some general information, bit of preliminary preliminary information memorandum, which they may not want to share all these details with you. But बाकी चीजें अगर वो अपने पास भर के अपने पास भी रख लेते हैं, fair enough. लेकिन अगर वो बोले कि हमको रेजोल्यूशन प्लान बनाना है और हमको आगे जाना है, where will they go? They can't go to their chartered accountant who will not know all these details, transfer of assets, कौन से करने हैं, कौन से नहीं करने, सेल कौन सी करनी कि नहीं करनी, कहीं तो जाएंगे ना, तो आईपी के पास ही आएंगे. तो फिर आपसे अच्छा कौन होगा, आपके पास ही है. The person has to be close to you so that he can actually visit you sometime and not just remain online all the time. Acquisition of share, cancellation, delisting, satisfaction, modification, there are all these things. They are all important part. If you miss any one of them, the resolution plan is not valid. And not to do that, then there is a whole lot of mandatory contents, which is affidavits. You can read all these things. Management control का implementation team term क्या रहेगा, implementation कौन करेगा, management control किसके पास रहेगा, supervision plan. There are a whole lot of things. And these are not as simple as they look. I mean, address a cause of default. So उसका एक अलग टेबल है, उसका एड्रेस का ये है. So ये आप किसी ना किसी के पास तो जाएंगे. तो फिर why not you? And especially that you are a part. See, the fact is, we have to come to the fact that we are coming from a धार्मिक perspective. एक अगर आप मतलब ये मेरा मानना है, so it could be me, but if I'm putting my best foot forward in a very sincere manner, says कि ठीक है, मैंने ये मान लिया कि मैंने जिंदगी के अंदर मैं इतने MSMEs को इतने घंटे का मैंने फ्री में उनको एडवाइस किया, ये मेरा धर्म है, मेरे को कुछ इसके बाद मिले या ना मिले, मेरे को कुछ होना हो, मैंने किया. If you're coming from this point of view, no reason that people say no, I don't trust you. And when he sees the whole system, it's a transparent system, he can go anywhere. He'll have less and less reasons to not trust, is what the presumption is. But if he still chooses not to trust, then fine. हमने अपना कर्म निभाया, अब बाकी as God's wish, we leave it there. I mean, that is what I would do.
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes. So there are other questions as well. The first thing, I think the first and foremost thing is that at which stage actually we should be approaching such MSMEs. Like, let us say a unit is actually deteriorating and financial health is deteriorating. It is actually facing problems in paying the installments of the loans or maybe some interest payments as well. So, but it has not defaulted as yet. But the promoter knows that maybe it will be difficult for him to pay the next installment or maybe the next installment. So I think if a unit actually is on the road of basically defaulting with the bankers, so I think this is also the stage where he would be requiring some advice. So and moreover, he might not be ready to go for pre-pack. He might also be thinking of, let's say, 2-3 other options, like going for Section 230 kind of thing, restructuring, or maybe some OTS with a bank, or maybe some other solution, or maybe a restructuring under the prudential norms.
बराबर. तो उसका
actually, like if we approach such MSMEs, and what we are actually role over there.
उसका मैं बताता हूँ. देखिए, there are two things. Either we create a scenario where the MSME approaches us, or we approach an MSME. ये जो अभी जो हमारा प्लान है, उसके अंदर हम कुछ ऐसा सा सिस्टम बना रहे हैं कि MSME हमको अप्रोच करे, कि हमने उसको ईमेल लिखा, उसको ब्रोशर मिला, ब्रोशर के अंदर उसको सिर्फ प्रीपैक ऑप्शन नहीं देंगे, हम उसको बाकी ऑप्शंस भी देंगे कि अगर आप प्रीपैक की बजाय, प्रीपैक की तो ये डिटेल्स हमने दे दी आपको थोड़ी, क्योंकि कुछ मतलब is the brochure, instead of being a pre-packed brochure, it could be a more generic brochure saying that there is OTS, there is 230, there are these options. We could sort of open up the options on the brochure itself, and the nothing else changes beyond that. We are still sending him a mail. He is still receiving brochure. He is still going to find out who he wants to talk to. He's still calling. The IP takes it from there in whichever direction it goes. And irrespective of what he wants to do, he will still have to fill his basic sheet, maybe a bit of preliminary information or resolution plan type की चीज, तो उसको अब almost सारे processes में जरूरत पड़ेगी. अगर वो ये नहीं बनाएंगे तो कुछ और बनाएंगे, मतलब इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक अ रेजोल्यूशन प्लान. बट इफ दे मेक अ प्रॉपर रेजोल्यूशन प्लान as envisaged here, it would they'll be able to the bankers would be more open to resolving issue with them under whichever process they want to, not necessarily pre-pack. You're right there. लेकिन अब वो EMI दे पा रहा है नहीं दे पा रहा, there is nothing we can do about it. वो किस सिनारियो में हमको मिला, there is nothing we can do about it. We have no control over what is happening. The only thing is that we sent a mail on the 1st of January. He contacted us on the 5th of January. This was the scenario we found us in on the 10th, and beyond that, जो ये वाला जो आपका जो एडवाइजरी वाला फेज है और जो ये वाला फेज है, जो उसने अपने आप थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन भरना है, लाइक पहले, अगेन the plan is that if he contacts us just to get to know us, just to talk to us and get a feel of who we are, after that he would want to talk to us time and time. मतलब 3-4 बारी फोन होंगे, 5-10 बारी फोन होंगे जिसमें पूछेगा जी इसमें क्या भरते हैं, इसको कैसे भरना है, ये क्या करना है. उस दौरान और भी बातें होंगी. तो वो बातें, जब वो बातें होंगी तो ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होना चाहिए अपने आप. अगर नहीं हो रहा ट्रस्ट तो फिर दैट्स अनदर स्टोरी. और उसके बाद आपने अपना एडवाइजरी दे दिया, उसके बाद अगर वो कहता है जी मेरे साथ आप चलिए, बैंकर के पास चलिए, या मेरे को भी ये डॉक्यूमेंट पक्का बना के दीजिए, फॉर्मली करिए, तो फिर आप देखिए उसका कैसे करना है. वी कैन as a group we can also take a call on how we want to in case there is a if we can help each other and create some synergy there in making of the documents. That is another story. I mean, but that's a commercial part of it. So I hope I have answered your question. Matlab these are all thoughts, and under the assumption that ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. There is no other way forward.
Yes. Yes, sir. Understood.
Right. So
there are a lot of questions actually coming to mind.
हाँ जी, पूछो. That is the whole objective. Even I may not have gone through all these questions. So the more the questions, the better. And so because somebody called me yesterday and said कि आप इसको जो बाकी जो system है, because he wanted to know what were we doing. So obviously we're doing assignments and we have our own software, our own system that we have built for our in-house thing, as I showed you. So I said, yeah. He says, what if I want to use? I said, sure. I mean, there is a cost to it because there are all these people running this servers, etc. And then there are softwares and things are being made. And if you go into claims, there are so many things that can happen. And it's an ERP system. So just like information utility says, we are making a system. We have also a system made. So you could, so that's the commercial part of it. So he's like, yeah. So that was the other part he wanted to know. So I just thought I'll let you know that.
Sir, what is what is the contribution that you said? Maybe this was actually being discussed in the group. So what is the contribution from your side? So this is actually the ERP or the module, entire module you have prepared. And from your side, I think you actually wrote in that very group that you will be contributing the map and various other things.
Yeah. So the task that I have set out for myself, that this is what I want to do, from my side, which is that, of course, see, there are people running this show also. So there has to be a cost to this system. So this is one thing. So we say, all right, we take upon ourselves this, whatever, the running of this. Then we also take upon ourselves the running of this. So anybody can make an announcement. Anybody can, people can come, stakeholders can come and ask for quotations, etc. So quotes aa rahe hain, ja rahe hain, which was earlier, we were earlier charging for this. We were planning to. We had actually started subscribing. So this had a subscription model earlier. So we're going to drop the subscription model and we're going to keep this free, and rather we will convert this into groups, etc. So somebody wants to come to, so let me take an opportunity to explain what this is. So if you can make a group, let me see if there is a group here. Yeah, so there are some other groups that we had made previously. So some images are missing, but we can this thing. So once you get inside a group has its own sub forum. So एक हर एक का अपना sub forum बन जाता है जिसके अंदर हम discussions कर सकते हैं, मतलब secretly और yeah, confidentiality, because ये this is a separate subsystem to working with. So if the MSME wants to come and wants to talk to you and you need a platform to exchange notes and exchange information, then you could make a group over here and then you could discuss it with them. But the issue here is that he'll have to come log in, you'll have to come log in, and you can, it's a platform where you can exchange notes with each other. Now, how else would you do it otherwise? Emails or whatever. So you need some technology, basic thing. So आपको अगर इस तरह का कोई ग्रुप मिल जाता है करने के लिए, कोई एक ढूंढने के लिए वो मिल जाता है, नॉलेज बेस के लिए क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल जाते हैं, जो वैसे भी हो रहे हैं, काफ़ी लोग कर रहे हैं, कोटेशंस एक दूसरे से, अनाउंसमेंट्स कुछ ढूंढनी हो या किसी ने बताना, देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल ट्राइंग टू से आई वांट टू सेल दिस, आई वांट टू सेल दैट. नाउ इफ दे कुड कम एंड पुट इट हियर एंड समबडी कुड कम एंड पिक इट अप फ्रॉम हियर, so people are free to, so this platform is also now being made free, which was earlier having a subscription model. There are some articles and blogs, people can exchange. We have not really pushed it, as I said again, we are not marketed, but we intend to now. Past webinars we had collected, ये मैं ऊपर टॉप लाइन जो दिखा रहा हूँ टॉप बार के अंदर, अब इस तरह से हमने इधर उधर से, जैसे आज का सेमिनार भी है तो वो भी यहाँ पे कहीं आ जाएगा. ये हमने कॉज लिस्ट बनाई थी, सीधा आप क्लिक करोगे तो सीधा वहाँ पे जाके, you don't have to go through 5 clicks to reach that point. You know that you are going to NCLT Chennai branch. So it's taking time, but it'll take you straight to the cause list. So essentially these are direct links to this thing. Likewise for IBBI, if I want to go to IP, अब कितनी बारी होता है मैं IP का, मेरे को अपना IBBI registration number चाहिए होता है तो याद नहीं होता. So if I go to IBBI site, I'll have to go through 5 clicks. Here I just do this and it takes me straight to the IP section, and then I just do Atul Grover and then do a submit, and within 2 or 3 clicks I know कि ये मेरा नंबर है. तो इस तरह से हमने ये अलग अलग जो लिस्ट हैं, जो लिंक्स हैं वो बनाए हैं. इंसॉल्वेंसी न्यूज़, so news is being fed here. So इस तरह से ये चीज़ें हैं. After all, somebody has to be running the system, and so this platform is also now a part of Project Sahyog. So this and this is looking. Of course, we are going to be sharing some initial, digital sheets. And beyond those digital sheets, you don't require, because if there are 10 different types, so if we have divided the whole process into 10 sub-processes, 5-6 sub-processes, and we made sheets for each process. So one sheet will be imported into the other and imported, etc. Now, beyond first or second, unless you use the whole system, you will not be able to leverage the whole, this thing. So in parts, तो हम Word document पे, Google Docs पे सब कर ही लेते हैं. तो वो system है, वो फिर ये वाला आ जाता है system. Now this is something which is an assignment, etc. And then there are whole, it's not as simple as it looks. There are 1 or 2 people that we that have to be there to help a person, an IP understand. There's a learning curve to this a bit. So वो जो चीजें हैं, and there are so many questions. जैसे हमारी यहीं पे simple चीज़ों में इतने questions आ जाते हैं. ये तो actual में हम run कर रहे हैं तो बहुत सारे सवाल उठते हैं. तो ये वाला जो part है, ये वाला naturally this is something that this is something that gets into our paid section, and whosoever. And again, I said we are using this for ourselves for the moment. We are not really marketed in any way. वो आयु वगैरह अपना कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है. तो वो अभी हम इसका अभी सोचा नहीं है इस तरफ. But to answer your question, 1, 2, and maybe some aspects of the digital sheets which will be shared with the corporate data, and maybe with one sheet with the corporate data, one sheet for all of us for the advisory side of it, and the remaining is the rest of the process. जो सिर्फ जब शीट का भी 2 मतलब होते हैं. शीट होती है, एक होती है सिर्फ रीड ओनली शीट. तो अगर आप यहाँ जाओगे और आप यहाँ पे जाके अगर आप ये शीट देखोगे, so let me explain a bit of this also.
Okay.
So यहाँ पे देखिए, you see a cross here and you see a arrow here. So all you see is a cross and an arrow. You don't see other buttons over here. Rather ये comments का भी यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. There's nothing to comment right now. So there is a closed sheet and there is an open sheet. So a viewable sheet. So you view things over here. So you can always go and view whatever the sheet has to offer over here. But if you have to start filling the form, so जैसे अगर इसके बारे में हमने क्या सोचा है तो उसके बारे में हम यहाँ पे कमेंट ऐड करते हैं, फिर वो कमेंट्स कोलेट होके उसके एक रिपोर्ट बनती है, वो अंदर सिस्टम अपने आप बनाता है। तो कहने का मतलब है कि देयर इज अ व्यूएबल शीट एंड एडिटेबल शीट। तो व्यूएबल शीट तो हमारे पास है, ये है, और इस तरह से अगर आप ऐसे भी करना चाहें, जैसे साइड बाय साइड व्यू करना हो वगैरह, so all these tricks are there, but if you want those sheets to be imported, to be reported, to generated, and all those things, that is a part of this process, and there our involvement also goes up. I mean, I have a team of people who we have who we trained for these kind of things. Now, why would you do this? It is in order to enable you to be able to have successfully complete assignments, more number of assignments. क्योंकि वही अगर
like what you are saying is that we can fill the data in these very sheets, we can actually view the data, but we cannot export these sheets to Excel, or we cannot actually we can create usable reports for third party. Which that is not free.
That is, I mean, that is something that we are doing anyway. Yeah, naturally. Yeah, that is. So as I said, this is free. This is free. Some part of this is free, and then this costs us a lot of manpower and money. So this is not free. So you have, but then you are not. You don't have to. You don't have to use this. लेकिन अगर आप यूज करते हो तो जैसे हम यहाँ देख रहे थे कि ये जो नंबर ऑफ है, how much cheaper would it be, and then what percentage are billing, how many PPIRP processes can a person handle. Now my guess is that PPIRP process is going to be more strenuous than CIRP, क्योंकि PPIRP के अंदर जो आपको नंबर ऑफ डेज हैं और जो आपको चीजें करनी है, unless a lot of work has not been happened here, it really all depends upon कि आपने इस स्टेज पे कितना काम करा। अगर आपके ये वाला स्टेज आपने बहुत अच्छे ढंग से एक एक चीज करी हुई है तो आगे हो जाएगा, otherwise things could, and if you were to look at these timelines that I had shown you, the timelines are pretty strict, and उसके अंदर the number of processes आप PPIRP भी उतने ही कर पाओगे जितने आप CIRP कर सकोगे. It's not that you can do twice the number of PPIRP than CIRP simply because it's PPIRP and supposed to be cheaper and simpler. It is, according to me, it is not. So ये जो है आपको, और अभी IBBI भी बहुत strict हो रहा है, and they are all the time breathing down our necks, so we can't afford to go wrong there also. So our guess is leverage.
अगर मैनेजमेंट भी उसका मैनेजमेंट भी अगर वेस्ट हो गया, so which is as per one section, so if the management gets vested into RP, so then again this will be a bigger thing to do. Yeah.
So मतलब ये है कि देखिए, आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर आपको असाइनमेंट्स करनी है तो आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करनी पड़ेगी. There is no two thoughts about it. अब वो that is a separate question कि आप, तो अगर हम सिर्फ प्रो बोनो की बात करें तो बात यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाती है. आगे जाके तो आप there are so many people offering services, so we haven't really thought that far. So yeah, so does that answer the question as to what am I offering from my side? And from your side, what is expected is that we will do our best, to help the MSME, and even in a pro bono stage, it's not that कि मेरे को अच्छा लगा बंदा तो मैं बात करूंगा, नहीं तो नहीं करूंगा, या मेरे को कुछ आगे दिखा तो मैं तेरे से वो होगा, वो थोड़ा सा हमें उसको साइड पे करना, otherwise the whole objective is lost. अगर हम मतलब ये का बात हो रही है तो just being a little honest with our approach towards this, and I'm quite sure if we are honest, there is no reason why the MSME would go anywhere. कोई जिसके और के पास जाएगा तो वहाँ पे उसको क्या होगा, मतलब he will वहाँ पे भी
इसका कैसे होगा, जैसे हम
हमारे पास जाएगा ना जी, वहाँ पे भी हम में से किसी एक, हाँ जी, सॉरी, व्हाट वाज दैट?
तो जैसे था कि जैसे लेट से we do some marketing, and you said that some brochures will be prepared.
Yeah.
So for promoting this very thing, so
Yeah.
the promoter will come on the map.
Yeah.
So he will try to choose one person professional from
Yeah.
this very map
Yeah.
itself.
Yeah.
And then actually, will he be consulting maybe the like operational part will be tackled by your team and you yourself. So will he be actually approaching you people, and you will be throwing this very assignment to a relevant regional IP,
नहीं
or
नहीं
how this will go?
नहीं 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 नहीं। हम कहाँ से बीच में आ गए?
So will you be forwarding this very maybe the query from the promoter side to do the relevant IP, or how this will actually be going?
नहीं, हमारे पास तो आई नहीं ना रिक्वेरी। हम तो क्वेरी इकट्ठी कर ही नहीं रहे। हमने दिल्ली के शहर में हमने 50,000 ईमेल्स भेजी। वो 50,000 ईमेल्स लोगों के पास गई, वो मैप पे आए, उन्होंने मैप पे आपको ढूंढा, आपको फोन मिला लिया, किसी और को ढूंढा, किसी और को फोन मिला लिया। हम we are not in the picture.
Okay.
We're not trying to centralize a control. There's not a centralized control system where all the assignments are coming to me and then I'm deciding who to give it to.
So okay.
वो तो
So, as planned, so pro bono part is only to check the financial health, to check the financial health of the this very CD. Or are we talking of CDs and non-CDs as well? Maybe a proprietorship or other MSMEs to whom we can provide some other services, maybe a restructuring thing, or maybe some other.
हमने मेल तो MSME को भेजी। अब MSME ने आगे किसी को फॉरवर्ड कर दी और उसने आपको फोन मिला दिया। वो कि हमारे कंट्रोल में ही नहीं है। हमने मेल भेजी और जैसे मैंने it's not in our control whether it's a CD who's calling or somebody else. वो तो आपसे फोन करके पूछेगा, तो आप उसको पूछेंगे कि आप कौन बोल रहे हो, कहाँ से बोल रहे हो, कैसे करना है वगैरह। That's really between you.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है। So it can be any MSME.
Yeah. So we should be effectively firing these emails more or less blindly. But I have had people who have contacted me, somebody from Orissa. If the gentleman is here, are you here? आपसे जो कल बात हुई रात को? नहीं। तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे पास 3,000 ईमेल्स हैं, आप उनको भी अप्रोच कर लो। मैंने कहा ठीक है, आप वो कहते मैं आपको देता हूँ। तो वो मिस्टर साहू जी, आप यहीं हो ना? उमेश जी? अच्छा नहीं है। This is some other. Okay. So there's Mr. Swadhin Sahu here, and I spoke with Mr. Umesh Sahu yesterday. So anyway, so question being, he said कि आप उनको contact करिए because ओडिशा में वैसे ही वो अभी तो एक ही हैं जो हैं, 2-4 और होंगे। तो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव थोड़ा सा क्लियर ये है कि विदाउट हम ये मान के चल रहे हैं that this world is one good this thing and we need to do good, and MSME आगे से कैसे निकलता है, IP आगे से क्या करता है, क्या गड़बड़े होती हैं, वो हम सबको मालूम है, मगर हम उन सबको साइड पे रखते हैं। Alright, we will do our what we should do, but this is what हम तो सबको अप्रोच करेंगे, वो जिसको मर्जी मिले, उसके बाद वो कैसे चलेगा। हाँ, there ought to be a feedback system where in case something doesn't work right, and if we find one of us some hanky panky there, then there has to be some control system where we say, okay, all right, Mr. So and so is no more a part of this project, but we haven't really thought that far. We are assuming सब ठीक हैं, so but but there's no control system. There's no centralized control system. उसने फोन आपको मिलाया, आपने बात करी नहीं करी, उसने आपसे बात, उसको ठीक नहीं लगा, उसने किसी और को फोन मिलाया, उसको अच्छा लगा, उसने उसके साथ असाइनमेंट लिया नहीं लिया।
तो वो भी सर हमारे ऊपर ही है ना कि उसको हम वो भी हमारे ऊपर ही है कि उसको हम प्रो बोनो पार्ट कितना देना चाहते हैं, एंड where should we basically talk on commercial terms.
that I think that is a very critical question. We have to, if we are in the brochure, we have to state that X, जैसे आप 3 घंटे हम बोलते हैं 3 घंटे का हमने प्रो बोनो टाइम देना है, तो हम ब्रोशर में लिखेंगे, फिर हमें 3 घंटे देने पड़ेंगे. आप उस समय ये नहीं कह
Sir, please come again. I'm not able to hear you. I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, let me repeat again. I think that is something which we should not allow ourselves. ये हमारी मर्जी के हम देना चाहें ना देना चाहें, ये आपको ये आपके हाथ में नहीं होना चाहिए. ये हमें डिसाइड करना चाहिए कि हम इतना देंगे, हम उसको कमिट करेंगे, हम उसको अंडरटेक करेंगे. Unless there are reasons of unknown reasons, unseen reasons, but हम जो प्रो बोनो पार्ट है वो तो हमें कमिट कर रहे हैं ना. The whole objective of doing all this is कि आप अपनी तरफ से, और वो वैसे भी आप करोगे, मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा. Okay, what is the worst case scenario? That a person call you and you don't really are comfortable with talking to him and you don't want to do any pro bono work with him. And that is how much आप उसको समझाओ जितना समझा सकते हो. उसके बाद उसको शीट दे दी और वो अपना भर रहा है, उसको कभी जरूरत पड़ी तो वो कॉल कर लेगा, हमको नहीं, आपको नहीं करेगा, किसी और को कर लेगा. उसके बाद तो प्रो बोनो खत्म. प्रो बोनो तो हमें करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें कमिटमेंट करनी पड़ेगी. Is everybody in agreement with what I'm saying here, or is this something else that, what do you suggest? मतलब अगर हमने प्रो बोनो एस्पेक्ट अज्यूम कर लिया, और अज्यूम करो 50% ने प्रो बोनो दिया ही नहीं और कह नहीं जी कहाँ आप पैसे जमा कराओ, नहीं तो हम नहीं करेंगे, फिर तो आईपीई हो गया. फिर तो where is the project, where is the soul of the project? That whole thing is gone. फिर तो we might as well create a commercial venture out of the whole thing. Any other suggestion, please? Since aap like more participation on this, is a very critical point. Like,
हेलो
मिस्टर रंजन प्लीज म्यूट करिए.
agree sir, agree with you.
Sir, yeah, we can make a beginning with this. I think, sir, you are in the right
Yeah.
direction. We have to. We'll actually try and if there's real difficulty, then probably we can catch up again and get some suggestions and feedback from the members.
तो हम
I think we
obviously
can move forward with the idea because that's a really good thought out and well planned.
Yes.
So let's make a beginning, sir.
Getaji, I think my actually query was different. Actually, this was that yes, we will start with the pro bono, but it is up to us that whatever we have decided that up to this very stage, the pro bono part will be there, and maybe we can, we as professionals can extend that very thing.
Oh sure, that वो तो आपकी श्रद्धा है, वो तो आप मर्जी है, कमाल है, वो तो आप जितना डालो उतना कम है. ये दुनिया को तो बहुत जरूरत है. आप कहो मैं आपका सारा काम और कम करूंगा या फ्री में करूंगा, आपकी मर्जी है. और rather we'd be very happy if we could actually because there is a question mark about charges. हम चार्ज तो 25,000 भी कर लेते हैं, 50,000 भी कर लेते हैं, लेकिन कोई हमें पूछेगा तो हम 2 लाख से कम बताते नहीं है. और चार्ज करते वक्त we have seen lot of things, like we're not going in that direction. An MSME would be very happy if we could tell him, okay, look, we are charging an X amount and this is the reason, and we don't charge anything less than that. एक मिनिमम हम सेट कर लेते हैं और वो मिनिमम तो आपको देगा. और मिनिमम पे अगर आप कहते हो कि जी अगर हम और प्रो बोनो करना चाहते हैं तो आप देखो खर्चे तो आप पूरे करोगे ना आपने, तो जो भी आपका X अमाउंट है वो तो आप लीजिए. and he'll be more than happy because he also knows if he goes elsewhere. अब वही बात है, I think in my first video I try to visualize कि actual में PPIRP कॉस्ट कितना करता है. आप यूं देखिए, अगर आप दोबारा से स्टेज को देखें, हम let me share it. Where am I here? Okay, timelines, calendar for process cost. Okay, let's go to I think we go to process cost. Weeks. Okay, this is the calendar part. नहीं दिखेगा, process cost नहीं जाता. So if we process cost चाहिए. So if we were to look at these process costing sheets, we were just trying to make a simple sheet over here. Yeah. So this is phase 2, this is phase 1, this is phase 0. The phases are incorrectly numbered here, but let's understand. Discussion of pro bono, pros and cons of PPIRP. तो ये अगर हम देखें T0, so T0 is the initial जो CD अपने आप से बात कर रहा है, और T1 है जो IP के साथ जो फाइनेंशियल क्रेडिटर्स हैं, और ये RP के साथ जब AA इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है, the real process, the real 120 comes into phase 2. So this is how phase 0, phase 1, phase 2 have been, you know. तो यहाँ पे जो डिस्कशन हो रही है प्रोजेंट, उनको ब्रोशर मिला, उन्होंने आपसे फोन किया, आपसे बात करी, आपको करा, कॉस्टिंग 0 लेकर चल रहे हैं. कम्युनिकेशन ऑफ प्रो बोनो ऑफ PPIRP.
Pros and cons of PI.
हाँ, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स आपने हो गए, और उसके बाद वो कम्युनिकेट करेंगे आपस में, इंटरनली डिसाइड करेंगे अपने CS, प्रोमोटर, शेयर होल्डर्स वगैरह जो भी अपने बैठ के डिस्कस करेंगे. उसके बाद किसी तरह की वोटिंग करेंगे, तो वोटिंग ऑनलाइन करेंगे, तो हम मान के चल रहे हैं चलो 5-10 हज़ार, 1 या 2 बार वोटिंग होगी तो 10-15 हज़ार उसकी भी लग जाएंगे. एलिजिबिलिटी ऑफ MSME as PPIRP. So some kind of eligibility, I do not know how we filled this number. So we are assuming he'll go to someone who will charge him 25,000 to figure out कि ये आपके forms हैं, eligibility है. ऐसे हम ऐसे ही, मतलब these are very tentative figures. We're just throwing figures in the sheet just to. Eligibility MSME as a resolution applicant 29A का उसने verify करवाया. यहाँ पे उसने अपना जो basically MSME का you know कुछ इस तरह से checking जो भी है, he goes somewhere, he pays 50,000 rupees for some reason. Then he discusses, then he goes to the bank. So this is now he's gone to the bank after. अच्छा, यहाँ पे preparation of documents यहाँ पे नीचे आ रहा है. Okay. So यहाँ पे उसने फिर forensic audit भी करवाएगा, कुछ asset valuation भी करवाएगा, जिसके basis पे वो information memorandum बनाएगा, जिसके basis पे कुछ resolution plan बनाएगा, जिसके basis पे वो form A भी थोड़ा बहुत जिसके उसके जो annexures वगैरह में इकट्ठे करेगा. तो अंदाजे से हम ऐसे ही लेके चल रहे थे कि अंदाजे से 2 लाख रुपए उसका यहाँ पे खर्चा हो जाना चाहिए minimum.
Okay sir, okay.
Yeah, so this is our understanding कि इससे कम में आप कैसे करोगे. तो अगर हम ये चीज अगर हम कह दें कि हम आपको ये वाला ये पैकेज कॉस्ट देते हैं as a you know in continuation with project Sahyog, if we could say that we charge you nothing for this part, and from this part to this part we actually charge you a lump sum of this thing, which is so reasonable that you don't even have to say I want to do more pro bono than that. अब उससे ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आप अगर इतना मिनिमम चार्ज कर लेंगे तो ये भी आपके प्रो बोनो में ही जाएगा. आपका ये जितना उससे पैसे ले रहे हैं उतना खर्चा कर रहे हैं, आपने अपनी जेब से तो प्रो बोनो नहीं किया होगा शायद. तो कहने का मेरा मतलब है कि अगर हम चाहें तो हम उनको ये भी कह सकते हैं कि हम आपको ये करेंगे और इसका ये स्पेशल कॉस्ट है एंड एट कॉस्ट करेंगे. तो ये हो सकता है ये प्रो बोनो कर रहे हैं, ये एट कॉस्ट कर रहे हैं. एट कॉस्ट could be a little here and there, but at cost. क्योंकि इसके बाद जो है, अगर वो डिक्लेरेशन लेके स्पेशल लेके उनके पास चले जाते हैं और FC अप्रूव कर देता है, तो जब IP आएगा वहां पे उस स्टेज पे, तो उसने आते सारी कहना भी पैसे जमा कराओ बैंक के अंदर. there has to be a escrow account. हाँ, और escrow account में imagine they'll say 10 लाख तो जमा कराओ, 5 लाख तो जमा, 5-10 लाख से कम क्या जमा करवाएंगे उनसे. So कहने का मतलब है कि beyond this तो naturally हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. मगर अगर आप कहते हो कि हम यहाँ पे we want to do more, then my this thing is that if this is 0-0, then this is a nice a reasonable lump sum, wherein again I repeat, you'll get more reason, you'll get more trust naturally, and then the person will say कि अच्छा ये phase 1 और phase 2 के लिए आप मेरे साथ ही रहो, मेरे को बताओ ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ. क्योंकि phase you know MSME is in control, और MSME would want to remain in control. It's like कि मेरा process, मेरे पैसे, मेरी दुकान मेरे को मिलनी चाहिए. That is the whole reason for coming here, and I don't want to lose control over who the IP, who the RP is going to be, because वो तो बैंक का ही बंदा होगा. तो अगर आप phase 0 में आप उसके साथ कैसे हम डील करते हैं, वो डिटरमिन करेगा कि वो बोलेगा आप मेरे साथ रहो अगले इतने महीनों के लिए. Then you'll say, all right, give me an X amount per month or on monthly basis, and I'm with you to go with you to ask question, answer, to look at things that are happening. But otherwise, my guess is that for phase 1, it could really vary between 3 to 5 lakhs over here. मतलब 2 लाख रुपए उसके यहाँ लगने चाहिए कम से कम, 3 से 5 लाख उसके यहाँ लगने चाहिए कम से कम, और यहाँ पे 10 से 15 लाख उसके यहाँ लगने चाहिए कम से कम. सो प्रोसेस वाइज अगर देखो 15 + 5 20, 20 + 2 22, anywhere between 20 to 25 lakhs is what we are looking at. And here the assumption is the IPRP are charging some 50,000 rupees only. Otherwise, मतलब ये माइक्रो भी तो माइक्रो का ही लेके चल रहे हैं, बाकी मीडियम हो या बड़ा हो तो फिर that's another story. We are not doing that.
तो सर अभी जैसे आपने बात की कि अगर तो कमर्शियल सारा होगा तो फिर तो IPE ही हो गया. तो so my question, there is another question from my side. So what help actually, so like we being professionals, so what help we will get from this very group, entire group? So like you are heading this very thing and you are actually promoting this very entire idea. So this is your ideation. So what kind of help we people will get, like in terms of maybe getting some kind of advisory, some kind of maybe connection with the lawyers, or maybe connection with the valuers, or what kind of overall help we will be getting in executing the entire thing? Let's say if we get an assignment and this very person appoints us to take care of the entire process. So what kind of entire total help?
देखो वो टोटल हेल्प वाला सिस्टम तो आईपी वाला सिस्टम हो गया ना जी. टोटल हेल्प तो ये है कि ग्रुप है, आप ग्रुप में सवाल पूछो, किसी ने जवाब दे सका तो दे देगा, और आप बाकी जैसे आप आगे आप अदर प्रोफेशनल्स एम्प्लॉय करते हो इसके अंदर, वैसे इसके अंदर आई डू नॉट नो आर वी अलाउड टू एम्प्लॉय अदर प्रोफेशनल्स इन द केस ऑफ पीपीआईआरपी. आई एम क्वाइट श्योर यस. तो उस तरह से आप अलग से कर सकते हो. जैसे आप यहाँ गए, आपने खुद ही ढूंढ लिया यहाँ पे फोरेंसिक कौन है, यहाँ पे ये कौन है, आप यू कैन टॉक टू देम डायरेक्टली. बट इफ यू वांट you know, an IPE sort of a scenario where where we effectively actually come in and collaboratively do all these things, that has not been thought through by me. But case I do not know how things are going to go in that direction yet.
This was just a thought which was coming to my mind, so I asked you.
It's a valid thought. It's a valid thought, and this is the first thought that comes into everybody's mind. ये तो जो second thought जो हम लेके चल रहे हैं, वो thought तो अभी कम आती है लोगों में.
Sir, as a group, I think as a group we will contribute to each other. So whatever actually expertise we have, we will share. But somehow or the other, actually, this is very. I think this is very challenging. The entire thing will be very challenging, and this is pre-pack is actually new to everybody. So this was just one thought which was coming to my mind. So how we can actually go forward on this?
Sandeep, I would like to add here.
Please.
Sorry for the interruption. Sandeep, I'd like to add here. See, any new project would have some initial hiccups.
Yes.
And we as a group will have to join together and hold ourselves tight for some time till everything falls in place.
Yes,
so that's a modest beginning that has happened.
Yes.
So I think we can stay together, and we'll definitely be able to, crack the deal in a nice way. Because see, this initiative itself is a very welcome thing, because we've not even thought of these, right? And
Right.
I think we should hats off to Atul Groverji.
This is a noble thought. This is a noble thought.
Yeah, I'm just saying. So let's all stay together and we can learn all together. See, like in any other groups, that we used to do, that we stay together, put our questions and learn, find out questions and doubts and get it clarified. I think we'll always, be connected and as professionals grow together.
And we already have a WhatsApp group. We can always ask questions
Exactly.
on that also.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, why not? So अभी के लिए इतना ठीक है. आगे चल के देखते हैं कि आगे कैसे करना है, because जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगेन आई रिपीट, आपको बहुत सारे अगर करने हैं तो आपको बहुत you need at the end of the day we definitely need back offices, we definitely need bigger teams, we need more cohesive teams, we need to have a more cohesive systems so that all these processes could run more this thing. Because यहाँ पे अभी हम कह रहे हैं कि हमने प्रो बोनो तक किया, उसके बाद आप सारा अपना देखें, तो अगर उसको और आगे स्ट्रीमलाइन करके आगे ले जाना पड़े तो we will see how that evolves. I think it is something that can wait. अभी के लिए हम यहाँ करें. तो अभी what my goal was or still is कि we definitely need more people here, and the people have to be like-minded, and they must know that they are coming here with a pro bono commitment of sorts. सो कुछ जो है उनका वैसा रहना चाहिए, इट्स नॉट अ प्योर कमर्शियल थिंग, बिकॉज जब हम MSMEs को लिखेंगे तो हम ये लिखेंगे, और जब वो लिखेंगे फिर हमें कमिट करना पड़ेगा, otherwise things will fall apart. And we need to have some service contract. So I would request somebody कि हम इसको एक डॉक्यूमेंट बनाना शुरू करें जिसके अंदर हम क्या कमिट कर रहे हैं टू ईच अदर, ठीक है?
Right.
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल if I'm
Good
saying
one, sir. Good one.
if I'm saying this is free and I'm saying this is free, then I have to give it in writing that it is free. It cannot
Yeah,
be
makes sense.
कल को मेरा मन किया तो ऐसा हो गया, या फिर आपका आज मन किया प्री बोर्ड देने का, कल नहीं मन किया, तो ये हमको इतना पोर्शन जो है हमें लेना पड़ेगा कि ये हमारे मन का नहीं है, दिस इज आउटसाइड ऑफ आवर, वी आर कमिटेड टू ईच अदर. एंड लाइकवाइज ये एक और हमें जो दूसरा चाहिए होगा वो सर्विस एग्रीमेंट चाहिए होगा, जो MSME अगर हमारे पास आता है और वो कहता है कि हाँ जी मेरे को चाहिए, तो हमें उससे भी कुछ चाहिए कि कल को वो ना कहे कि आपने ये कहा था वो कहा था. वी डोंट वांट दीस काइंड ऑफ allegations flying around.
Very true, sir. Perfect.
वो
Good
दो
thought.
डॉक्यूमेंट
Yes,
बहुत
that's good.
अगर आपको बनाना शुरू करें तो that will be very helpful.
Sir, what are the
Hello.
next steps from here? Like one is service agreements, maybe.
One is service agreement. Second is I will be sharing with you all some preliminary aspect of this brochure. First cut. ये जो है ये भी बन रहा है. Yeah. So there are these brochure which has some risks, something about general, something benefits. So risk benefit analysis जो है वो ब्रोशर पढ़ के अगले को समझ आ जाए कि मेरे को इधर जाना है कि नहीं जाना, राइट? और उसके बाद इन्हीं चीज़ों पे सवाल उठेगा. और ये ब्रोशर्स जो हैं हमको प्रेफरेबली डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस में डाल के सबको, क्योंकि MSMEs fortunately we can have a list state wise, and we can have English and maybe English and Tamil together.
Local language.
Local language.
MSMEs we can't expect कि हर एक को English आती है या हर एक को.
Very true.
Very true, sir. Very true. You
So
need to have a local language.
तो जो brochures हैं उनकी हमें conversion translation है. Although I can throw it in a Google Translate, but I don't know what the outcome is.
So, sir, I think the local people can help you to get those documents
What I was
done.
coming
I think
to.
you can actually form a core group.
हाँ जी.
Yeah.
You can form a
Statewide.
core group, and then I think brochure work will get very fast. Otherwise, it will hang around for some time, and then
Yes.
then the very purpose will get defeated.
So let's say I'm from Punjab, so I can help you in writing this very thing in Punjabi.
हाँ जी. मैं इंग्लिश में थोड़ा सा जो मेरे पास पॉइंट्स हैं मैं वो पहले लिख दूं, उसको फिर हम इंग्लिश को एक बार सारे रिवाइज करके एक बार ठीक कर दें, फिर उसके बाद कौन किस लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेट कर रहा है वो देख लें, और ट्रांसलेशन की एक बार हमारे पास PDFs आ जाए, फिर हमको पता होगा कि हमने कौन से स्टेट के कौन से MSMEs को कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट भेजना है.
Yes.
और उसको जाना तो उसी के पास ही पड़ेगा. ही हैज टू गो टू समबडी क्लोज बाय. तो मतलब साउथ वालों को नॉर्थ की लैंग्वेज वगैरह, तो देयर आर ऑल दीज बैरियर्स, एंड दीज आर वेरी क्रिटिकल बैरियर्स बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ ट्रस्ट गेट्स. लैंग्वेज इज वेरी क्रिटिकल टू एस्टैब्लिश ट्रस्ट. If I can talk to you in your language, and
The reach is very great. Atul sir, I can even offer this service. Probably you can make a small team for the
Yes.
English version. Where we can bring out the base document. Probably we can little brainstorm if you want. I'm just offering this
why
help.
not? यहाँ पे
We can brainstorm and get the base document done. And probably then throw it put it on the group for their views, and then probably we can finalize the whole thing, and then from there on the translation can happen. So probably if you want, you can even think of a core group even for the the base document to come out, because one person doing and a team of
Translation
people
and
doing
everything.
can be shared, and and the ideas can be shared, the brains can be shared, time can be shared. It can be like it's a combination of many things.
Sure. So I initially also tried to I shared this link. I can share, obviously I'll share it again. ये ब्रोशर बनाने का था, उसके अंदर उस समय जो ये पुराना है वैसे, उसके बाद दोबारा से नया भी बन गया है, ओल्ड कार्ड, बट इस तरह से we can collaboratively get on Google Doc and make a brochure. Once we जैसे कोई चेकलिस्ट वगैरह कुछ ने लिखी है, किसी ने कुछ इस तरह से हम बना रहे थे, तो कुछ बना है कुछ नहीं बना, बट we'll put it on Google Doc. and we will confirm with the English part first, make sure everything, and then we can figure out who's translating. So ये भी जो
Sir,
है,
I had one question.
हाँ जी,
Hello.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
Yeah, sir. Sir, actually, I wanted to know about contacting MSMEs. Like on MCA website, we get the list of companies, and along with that, we are getting the contact details as well, like email ID and all. So, do we have any like centralized database wherein we can get the details of contact details of MSME? Like you said, we are sending email to nearly about 500 MSME. So how we can identify that this is a registered MSME and this could be eligibly entitled for this entire process?
No. It's all firing in the dark at the moment. We just send letters, emails, and you hope that things will, because given that there are 250 crore worth of turnover, meaning that good 70-80% of businesses are already MSMEs. I mean, how many companies are there beyond 250 crores are we talking about? Everybody's an MSME. So even if you fire in the dark, it will hit the mark somewhere. The MSME has to know ja kahan raha hai, usne whether he's willing to undertake the risk and give a declaration of sorts कि मैंने ये किया ये नहीं किया. बाकी तो this is there is nothing specific we are having. Of course, you can go to the banks and say आप लिस्ट दे दो NPAs की, आप किसी कहीं और जाके ले सकते हो, पर अभी किसी के पास कुछ नहीं है. मतलब इवन MSME जो उद्योग पोर्टल है, आधार उद्योग वाला, उसके अंदर भी there is no. I was hoping they should share the database, and why not?
Correct, sir. Yeah.
But then I don't know. Maybe we should write to the government and say, why are you holding on to the database? आपको क्या मिल रहा है इसको रख के? आप दो ना, लोग आपस में बात करें, कुछ ना कुछ तो निकलेगा ना, ठीक. So
at least we reaching to the people is very important in this scenario.
Everything boils down to marketing at the end of the day. We can make the best food, but if we don't advertise, there's nobody coming to our restaurant. So वो advertisement और वो जो है तो वो minimum cost में कैसे कर सकते हैं? Now that is another cost that I have not this thing, but I'm taking it upon myself कि marketing cost जो भी होगा तो वो होगा. Otherwise, if somebody has a database, जैसे as I was saying, Mr. Sahu, he said that he has a database he'd like to share. वो collectively एक जगह पे रख देते हैं और सब जगह वो contact तो घूम के फिर के उन्हीं के पास आएगा ना, मेरे पास तो आने का नहीं. I'm sitting in Chandigarh. That guy's in Bhubaneswar, so no reason for him to call me unless he's just playing Russian roulette or something. So इस तरह से है सबका. I think as long as we have the right group, as long as we have the group with the right intent, that is what I'm looking at. I am willing to put all these things on the table, simply that all the right people come together. Of course, there'll be others who will say कि चलो join करो और let's extract system. वो we'll see how that works out. That is a pure commercial thing. I'm quite sure they'll have their own ways.
Sir, making an initial project is always a hiccup, sir. And once everybody knows that there is some stuff out there, and people will just plug in. So that is the energy we'll have to drag into the group first of all.
Yes.
And I think once that is done, and if that energy flows through and getting people into the group and making them work is, I don't think that's a challenge.
I think
the initial challenge, I know you have taken the risk of opening up this topic, and we've also, because we understood that there is some intent behind this.
Yes.
So we came in believing you. Yeah. So now with that, when we are going to discuss this in the group to say that we discussed this or we did that, and somebody would be interested to know, oh, what next? And that's the interest that we kindle in people, and I think we can definitely getting hands is not tough.
Yeah. I think
25 for a beginning is definitely a very good number to start with, because there are people who believed your thought process, and we are here, and I think making it 50 and 100 is not.
That is least of my concern. The moment my mails go out, the moment people start getting calls, the moment you say I have received, just for the sake of exchange, that I have received so many calls, I have handled so many calls, this week. people will say हमको भी कराओ ना, हमारा फोन नहीं बज रहा, तो सबका फोन फिर तो अपने आप वो फटाफट हो जाएगा. That is something I'm also very that is the least of my this. But let's start with finalizing the brochure. Let's start with finalizing the service agreements amongst ourselves, and what kind of agreement would we want to have with the MSME. So MSME will come. He will, before he talks or something, he'll have to find a way कि आप वहाँ जाके आप कोई I agree वाला check box को tick करके, मतलब keep it very simple, that so that so that he knows what is what, and that will bring clarity as to where we are drawing the line, and what's what, and so that should be good. So any other questions, Ji? Or we can continue discussing this thing. So I will share the links, and we can start with this.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, let me also, should we call it off? Should we call it
Yes,
a day? Okay. Before we do that, I'd like to thank Manisha Ji for having given this platform, because I very frankly, somebody, a partner of mine, had a this, and then it got expired. So I was looking at because बाकी जगहों पे there is a limit, 1 hour or whatever.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
There are many people who have Zoom link with license, so don't worry. So when you want, and then you can text it in the group, and then we are always there to give you a hand.
No, sure, do that. And चलिए, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and let's take it forward.
Thank you all.
Thank
Stay
you
home,
so much,
stay
sir.
safe.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your initiative.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Very good initiation, sir. Very good initiation.
Thank you.
It's up to you, sir.